Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow birthday cake. Yay! Do you like cakes? I love cakes. This is a special cake. We use birthday cakes to celebrate special days, like when it's your birthday. We sing, blow out candles, and make a big happy wish. Can you count with me? Candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This cake has 6 rainbow layers. Now coloring time. This rainbow cake has many yummy flavors too. Red is strawberry. Orange is orange flavor. Yellow is banana. Green is apple. Blue is blueberry. And purple is yummy grape. Delicious. Color the top part pink. Red. Orange. Green. Yellow. Blue. And don't forget the yellow flames on top. They look like little lights. You did amazing. Look at your colorful cake. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.